guys, and welcome back to our channel Rescue Digital Media. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix Windows Resource Protection Found Corrupt Files error with best ways. But before we get started, like, subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified when our new video lands. The Windows Resource Protection Found Corrupt Files error generally appears due to the SFC lacks the resources to resolve this issue, third-party applications or background processes interfering with SFC, corrupt system files, some of the NVIDIA files, .dll, are corrupted. Now, let's move on to fix Windows Resource Protection Found Corrupt Files error with 4 best fixes. Solution 1. Run the DISM tool from the CMD. DISM is another native tool that sees and repairs Windows images. There is a possibility that DISM system image repair commands fix the issue that SFC didn't fix. To do so, you have to: first, press Start, type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Here, you need to type this command, dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Hit Enter and let the process complete. As soon as the scan is done, restart your PC and try running the SFC command to see if the error persists. Solution 2. Run SFC/SCANNOW in safe mode. Safe mode launches Windows only with the basic drivers and software programs, which clears the slate for the SFC tool to work without interruption. After booting into safe mode, you can then run an SFC scan. To do so, press Windows plus R keys together to open Run dialog. Type in msconfig and click OK button to open System Configuration window. On System Configuration window, click Boot tab and select Safe Boot option. Click OK button and restart computer. Computer boots to safe mode automatically. Press Windows key and X and select Command Prompt, Admin. Type SFC/SCANNOW and press Enter. When process completes, boot to Windows and open System Configuration again. And uncheck the Safe Boot option. Solution 3. Uninstall the latest Windows updates. There is a possibility that recent updates have introduced corrupt elements to system files. If you first encountered the SFC scan error after a Windows update, uninstalling these may work to fix the error. To uninstall the latest Windows updates, go to Start and open Settings. Then click on Windows Update in the left pane. Click on Update History. Scroll down and click on Uninstall Updates. Then uninstall the latest update after which you started receiving the error. When prompted, click on Uninstall again. Once the updates are uninstalled, give the SFC scan another go and check if the issue is resolved. Solution 4. Use a restore point. If the SFC and DISM scans still aren't helping, you can return your system to an older point time by using System Restore. It creates a restore point on your system periodically and allows you to revert your system to an older point time when something goes wrong. Type Restore in searching box and choose Create a Restore Point from the searching result. On the System Properties window, select System Protection tab. Then click System Restore button. The System Restore wizard shows up, and click Next button from the Welcome page. Select the restore point you want and click Next button. Select Show More Restore Points to let the System Restore wizard show all available restore points. It is recommended to select the most recent working restore point. If you've never enabled System Restore feature in Windows, there is not any restore point here and you cannot perform System Restore. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share this video if you find it helpful. Thanks for watching.